Hello and welcome. I'm Thomas, and today I'm doing a quick review of the Roccat Kone XP versus the Roccat Kone XP Air. So I'll be going over what is the same, what is different, and if it's worth upgrading. Let's rapid fire this as we've all got places to be. Starting off with what's the same between them both, they both have the same optical switches, heat-treated PTFE feet, the Roccat Air 19K DPI optical sensor, 2-year limited manufacturer warranty, crystal 4D wheel, 1.8 meter phantom flex cable. They are both also reflex compatible. Coding and everything else I don't mention that is different in the next section. Moving into the differences, the Kone XP Air now has wireless and Bluetooth and comes with a charging dock. Mind blowing, I know. I'm sure you didn't see that one coming. They're both the same length at 126 millimeters. Height is 40 millimeters, but the Kone XP wired is 76 millimeters in width compared to 72 millimeters with the Air. And weight for the wired is 104 grams to 99 grams on the Air. No, I did not say that incorrectly. The wireless version is actually lighter. The RGB lighting has also changed a lot. I also think the buttons on the Air feel better than the wired for everything except the primary clicks, but this could also be due to variance. But they feel more membrane-like on the wired versus more like mechanical on the wireless. The other massive difference is cost. This guy costs $89.99 compared to $169.99. Holy moly. So is it worth upgrading from the Kone XP to the Kone XP Air? No. The price difference here is significant, and you're mostly just cutting the wire. I also don't find this mouse to have top-of-the-line specs. While they are upper end, they are far from the best despite having a premium price tag. But this all comes down to what you prioritize and how much cash you have or are wanting to spend. Personally, if this was my only gaming mouse, I'd definitely go with wireless, as it is worth it in the long run to me. You can also have it plugged in to 2 different devices at the time, as you can have the 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle in one thing, and then it connected to Bluetooth on another, making it easier to use on multiple devices and or travel, say one at work or one at home. Also, for me, with it being wireless, makes it more likely for me to personally use it, as I like to keep it on my desk out of the way, and then when I'm working on my PC, I can just plop it off the charger and I'm good to go, as normally when I'm gaming, I use an actual gaming FPS mouse that's more lightweight. But I'm also somebody who has a ton of other mice that I use for gaming, which just reinforces what I said, as I love using this when I'm doing work on my computer, then putting it on the dock and switching to a lightweight FPS gaming mouse while gaming. Or during an intense gaming session, having a mouse where I can put a bunch of macros on it while having the flexibility of wireless also helps a lot, giving me the best of both worlds. But outside of those scenarios, I don't know why you would necessarily choose the $89.99 one over the $169 one. I'm curious to hear which one you would choose if you were going between both of them. Also, if you did end up picking one up, which one did you choose and how are you liking it? Let me know in the comment section down below because I would love to discuss. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, share if you have someone that would benefit, and subscribe for more like this. If you happen to be buying off Amazon, Amazon Associates links are in the description. Otherwise, I will see you and your beautiful face on the next one. God bless and peace out.